how to see who blocked you on Discord. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is open your Discord application or go to discord.com and log in. Once you've done that, what you want to do is try to find their profile on the search bar. Simply go ahead and search for them. If their profile doesn't appear, move to the next step. So you want to simply check an old DM, go to your direct messages and look for old conversations with that person. If it says this user is no longer available, they have likely blocked you. If that is not the case, you want to simply go to their profile and click on add friend. If the button doesn't work or nothing happens, you might have been blocked. If that is not the case, you can also try inviting them to your server and it will say invalid user and then you have been blocked. If nothing works, then you can also search them on mutual servers to see if they have blocked you. If nothing appears, then you have been blocked. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.